Boom! What is up, you guys? What is crack-a-lackin'? Do the countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
What is up, party people? This is my first time trading agent session with you guys. I'm usually trading London. I'm not London. I'm usually trading New York session. The London and New York crossover, 9:30 a.m. EST. That is usually my time of trading, my preference. So anyway, let's get down into it. Let me make myself smaller. Well, how is everybody doing? I think I have maybe a different audience right now because of the time, but yeah, I hope everybody's doing well. Let me see. Let me see how my face is gonna look there. That's better. Oh God, already choking. Anyway, let's see if we can catch something for our Asian session. So sorry, I had this. I was looking at something. I was looking at some price action right here. Anyway, so this is what I'm looking at for gold. We are coming up on our, how many days are left in the month? 1, 2, 3. Well, there's like 2 more trading days in the month. And then the 1st of July will start on Monday. So let's start here on the weekly. I'll bring all that back in a second. So I think this happened yesterday, maybe, that we tapped 22.94. Yeah, yesterday. Yo, what's up, Troy, my boy? Troy the boy? Troy the boy. What's up, JP from New Zealand? What's going on, my guy? I am from the US. We're doing a little gold analysis breakdown. We got 2 more trading days left in the month. Now let's actually go to the month candle. So we almost tapped the bottom of this monthly candle support level. We got about like 22.86 to 22. I mean, it's very close. It pretty much tapped it. Let's just say it pretty much tapped it. So then we saw a nice rejection coming up from this level. which is predicted. Well, not really predicted, but it's normal. So the monthly might be closing bullish, bearish. And if it does close bearish, this could be where we potentially start ranging in this area to build up liquidity to either continue rising or to come down here and fill this huge imbalance, this gap back to this level, because we never retested 2150. We've never retested that since like March. So, but the only way that'll happen is if we actually close below this level, which is this low, 2278. If we close below this low, 2278, we could see our potential bearish market starting to drop. Market structure will shift for the higher time frame. So there's that for the daily and the weekly. We are coming back. I want to see 2294. I have this marked off right here, and I'll tell you guys why in a second. But I really want to see this daily come down here, retest this low, and then we could possibly see a push back up to fill this gap, to grab some orders, grab liquidity if price wants to continue pushing down. Or we could have enough liquidity to just break down, but I highly doubt it. I'm pretty sure we're just ranging in this huge zone for the past, how many months? Pretty much like 2 months now. Maybe like, yeah, 2 months now. So if we're really gonna break past here, we need to see like a really nice closure, very nice closure past that. So let's go down to the 4 hour. Actually, let me bring my markups back. Okay, so this is a daily level, daily area of interest, key level. Right here, because we have tapped here in the past twice. We also created pretty much a support right in this area. Support right there. If I drag this out some, see. So we have multiple touches there. Go back. Okay. And I marked this level up. This is a weekly level, I believe. No, that's not weekly. This is daily. This is all based on the daily. I made this a huge zone, pretty much, like a reversal zone. This is a reversal zone. We have tapped in here multiple times and have reversed multiple times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, multiple times. So that's a strong level of support there. So next, we're going to go into the 4 hour. Wish I could wish I made this with you guys instead of me doing it now. Anyway, so this is also a 1 hour area of interest because of right over in these areas. If we look left, this level had a break of structure here and then just continue pushing up. We had a retest after the break of structure, and then we continue pushing up again, all the way up. That's pretty much a break and retest. We came here again, rejected again, start pushing back up, all the fucking way up. It's another retest there. So this is a strong level. And this is where it's at right now. So I have been looking at it. Watching it for a bit. But yeah, this is also, it's a 4 hour and a 1 hour area of interest, but it's more so, I made this more so on the 1 hour because it's less, it's just easier to read on the 1 hour. Let's just go with that. Let's say that. It's a little bit easier to read on the 1 hour. I mean, the 4 hour is good too, but I like all of this. This is a lot of patterns for me. I like that. Hi, Chaplet. What is going on? Oh, I made coffee. Let me just grab that really quick. Let me grab some. Oh wait, let me turn on my Feeding the Ducks song. Oh my god, my ADHD is insane right now. It's like, oh my god, I gotta do this. Oh my god, I gotta do that. Okay, hold on. Feed those ducks. Feed those ducks, Troy. Okay, be right back. So yeah, let's delete this. This was from like 2 days ago or something like that. I was saying like 2 days ago that we are potentially targeting 2316. I believe that were daily lows, daily and weekly lows. And that's what we did, and then we broke through, but I didn't trade yesterday, I was working. So, or did I trade? I don't really remember. Just be trading. I do need to start journaling more though. That'll really help me. Anyway, so this is my prediction. That we're going to come back down here. Possible rejection again, and then start pushing back up, make higher highs and higher lows, yada yada yada. So tomorrow for New York session, on Thursday, it's probably already Thursday for some of you guys, but for New York session, we have unemployment. They have unemployment tomorrow. Our final GDP, 8:30 a.m. We have some orange folders, so we should see some type of volume tomorrow, but maybe not too much because it is coming down to the last couple days of the month. And then what do we have tomorrow on Friday? On Friday we have CPI. We have consumer. Oh, this is. Oh, never mind. This isn't CPI. I looked at those letters wrong. That is not CPI. That is not CPI. I mean, it's still important, but not really as important as CPI. Hello from India. I am from the US. So I'm currently using Blue Guardian as my prop firm. This is their dashboard. Here are my metrics. This is wrong. This hasn't updated at all. Anyway, I am almost there, close to my profit target. And I like this because it's a 25K challenge, but I don't have to make 10%. I only make 8%. Oh wait, that's normal. Wait, no, it's not normal. 10%. I mean 8%. And yeah, look at this curve. Look at that curve. So let's go to here. Right, so then let's go here. So I'm waiting for it to either come to 2293 and retest again. But yeah, I really want to see this low retested right here. 2294. I'm not only, I could grab sells because that's the market structure right now, but I do enjoy being a counter trend trader. I like both momentum trades or counter trend trades. I like both. But yeah, so we could see that happen. And this level right here, 2303. I mean, you can see it on the 1 hour, and you can see it on the 4 hour, but you can see it better on the 30. If we break above here, let's do like blue. Get fancy with it. I'll just keep playing this. All right, next one, break above with closure, 30-minute. High probability for price to continue up. You see a retest and then go back up, or it could just go right back up. So it could probably have a nice first TP around like here at this level, this structure level. Right here, first TP. Of course, thank you guys for being here. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that we can make some wins for the day. I hope you guys are doing well. Has anybody taken any trades during this Asian session yet? Oh. Let's see what this 1 hour is doing. We have a lot of wicks here too. A lot of wicks. Let's see something. What is the probability that this 4-hour candle, I mean, it broke this low and then started rejecting at 22.97. What we could do, this could be a day trade. Easy day trade. Very, very easy day trade. I really see this happening, especially like right here. If you guys look here, kind of see that the daily is creating a trend, right? So if it wants to come up and continue down, it needs to create another what? It needs to create another lower high. So that means we would need to come back up, maybe even retest this structure here, 2337, to continue pushing down, or we can break this trend that the daily is creating and shift market structure to become bullish. So I'm also looking at that too. I'm eyeing that, waiting for that to happen. Don't know when that'll happen, but that is what I'm expecting. Because I don't think gold's coming down here anytime soon. I don't think so. I think it's building momentum and grabbing liquidity to continue back up. So anyway, I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour to open, so let's see how it opens. But like, look at this. It's just selling pressure is just dying out. It's just completely dying out. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Okay, guys. So, yeah. I also have a YouTube channel as well. IG. If you guys want to follow me, I would be greatly appreciate your follow and your love. Let me look at this 1 minute really quickly. Okay, I'm actually gonna go ahead and after this 1 hour opens, I am probably gonna grab a buy. I kind of like how it's forming. I see a lot of wicks here. And this 4 hour could close back above here. And if it does, then that'll be, okay, that'll be good. This 15's creating a trend. It looks like it's trying to break the trend, so 2296, 2296. This is the bottom of the 1 hour candle. Alright, so I believe a trade is coming up. It should be coming in here soon. I like this. I like this a lot. So let's wait. I'm gonna get some buys. I believe selling pressure has ran out. We were selling for pretty long time. I'm gonna scale into some positions here. Take a buy right now. I'm not putting any stops yet. I just took a small buy so you guys can see that I did it at $22.98. So I'm scaling in. No stops yet. Waiting for this 1 hour to open, and I'm probably gonna grab another couple more positions, but I'm just gonna wait really quick. How this position plays out, a little sample size that we got going on. First target will be 2304. Targets. Two. Wow, this risk to reward is so huge. I'm gonna move this one over a bit. No stops yet, really. Really, my stops would be below here, 22.93, but I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. All right, let's look at this 1 hour. This 1 hour is opening pretty well. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in a couple more positions here. I got 2 more, so I have a whole 0.3 in currently. If it comes down to, let's say it comes down to about right here again, 22.98 again, I'll probably get in again, but I'm a little happy with this trade. stops will be below here, 22.93. Because if it comes down to my initial level of 22.96.95, I'll grab some more buys. I don't mind a little bit of drawdown. I'm okay with it. I really have to. If anybody speaks Spanish, tengo ir caca. So, BRB. I'll be right back. Yeah, this is a holding trade. It's not gonna just. There's not quite that much momentum right now, so. Just waiting. But yeah, 22.96 is a key level I'm gonna probably be looking at if it decides to come down a little bit further. It's a waiting game, huh? We just got a waiting game. Man, this is the most boringest part, isn't it? Trading isn't supposed to be fun, I learned. It's supposed to be boring. So if it's fun, you're doing it wrong. Wrong. It's not supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be stressful either. Because trading's supposed to be no emotions. But, you know, sometimes I still have that emotional sentiment sometimes. Bum, 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 bum. And this 4 hour is going to close in an hour. This might be like a pretty long trade. I'm expecting this to be a long trade, to be honest, because volume for Asian really doesn't even start popping in until like 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Man, I think the longest I've ever held was like 12 hours. I think that's the longest I've ever held a trade. And I think I won, probably. I don't think it hit the level that I wanted it to hit, but I won after waiting for so goddamn long. Yeah, this 30-minute time frame is pretty important. So what's up, guys? What do you guys trade? You guys just trade gold? Who is here? What is going on, my peoples? My party peoples? My trading nut peoples? Just gold? You don't trade anything else? No indices? No currencies? Just commodity? Yes, sir. I am in a trade, gold trade, Danny. I am in at 20, literally like right now, 22.98. I am $1 in profit. Ooh, US 30. I've been looking at, thinking about getting into US 30. Because I've been trading NAS a bit, and I've been doing pretty well with it. Man, NAS can either fucking make you rich or take your money quick. Let's fucking go! Whoa! Ooh, that's nice. I'm gonna add here. I'm gonna add 2 more positions. Now I'm going to make my stops below this low, 22.96. So I have a lot of movement to go to 22 or 23.04. Share this one. To remove these 2. Alright, so I'm gonna hold it each. It's 20 to these highs right here, 23.04. That should be our first TP. Well, 23.03 would probably be better, but 23.04, we could probably reach that if we get to 23.03 and break above it. So let's see what happens. Trying to get into other trades. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's watch. Retesting the structure on the one. Possible structure retest. I mean, break a structure retest on the 1 minute. Did you guys know that if you have ADHD, coffee slows down your brain? Did you fucking know that? I thought it was supposed to do the opposite, make me go crazy. But apparently it slows down your brain. All I really need is for this 30-minute to close pretty well above this trend line. And if it does, just test it here on this 30-minute level. So we have this little breaker structure right here on the 30 that it looks like it just tried to retest, also tried to break the trend. But if it starts to reject and come back down, then we're probably not completely done with sales just yet. But That's why I said if it comes down to my normal level 2296, I will add more entries. I like to take like one huge lot and then break it up into several entries. And right now I have a 0.6 in. Yeah, this is a daily area of interest 2292. So that once it comes down there, if it does, like right now, or not like right now, but today, or if we just range within this level, this zone, we're gonna have some type of breakout eventually. I mean, we have news tomorrow for unemployment, so it'll be pretty important to see what we do right now during during Asian and London session. I'm basing this trade off of how long we have been pushing down, and based off of my own learnings from Mr. Raja Banks. I mean, he wouldn't take this trade. This isn't a Raja Banks trade, but based off of what I have learned from Mr. Raja Banks is that we have been pushing down for how many hours? How many hours? We've been pushing down since Tuesday. Well, today's only Wednesday, but tomorrow is Thursday. We have literally been pushing down honestly since last week of Friday, but all these candles, we're focusing right here. Pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. So that means that what is the high probability that it's going to continue down, right? Because now this candle right here, this previous 4-hour candle, it closed bearish, yeah, but it didn't break any lows. But then this 4-hour candle broke this previous 4-hour low and then started rejecting above it. So if this 4-hour candle closes bullish right here at this level, we have now created a support. Because what is the definition of support? The literal definition of support is a bullish candle closing after a bearish candle. That's literally it. That's it. Rejecting this, but I'm going to stick with my trade just to come up here to 23.0. Let's do 23.03. Probably be a better opportunity right here. But I mean, you could be right too, bro. I mean, I don't have to be right. I'm just following, I guess, what I've learned in the past. Who is son? Tony. All right, up about 15 pips right now. Well, 13 pips. Stops 22.96. $25 pips. I'm going break even for everything. Oops. What's up, Cam? Oh wait,
Hey mate, how's it going?
Oh, good. How are you? Welcome, welcome.
I've got the actual live stream running as well. Just turned it off.
Oh, okay. Oh, should I remove you?
No, I'm good now. How are things?
Cool. It's going all right. It's going all right. In some profits right now. I might be going break even soon though.
Yeah, I saw that. So, and how are you with the challenge? How's that looking?
Challenge is going pretty well. I'm at like almost halfway through, maybe like $100 more, and I'll be halfway in there.
That's pretty going, man. Pretty good going, man. It's like that is, as I told you at the start of the week, that's probably, if you get past this phase one, it's probably one of the quickest, if not the quickest, to do that on the show out of all the traders I've had on.
Yeah, don't jinx me. Tell them don't jinx me, guys.
No, you jinxed now, mate. You are jinxed. As I said in the chat, you were jinxed. You will now drop that back to the break-even point on the account, and then it'll go hit your stop loss or maximum drawdown, and you're out of the challenge. Easy. It's all done, mate. It's all done. It's already done. It's already written in the stars.
Watch that happen tomorrow.
So what's this gold? Is it? Okay, yeah. It's funny. I was actually looking at gold this morning, or just before.
Yeah.
And
what were you thinking?
I had an entry. What chart are you on?
I'm on the 30-minute time frame.
Okay, yeah. I was looking at it at 5 minute. I actually had an entry which I missed. A 2R one that's already been and done. But
Yeah.
I was playing with the gold last night, and just a strategy idea. And it's I just set a few trades. I'm like, what the hell? This actually might work. I was up 8R within 2 hours. 3 trades.
What was your strategy?
Oh, it was a simple like liquidity grab. Just grabbing liquidity and trying to get in at the extremes really, and keeping a tight stop. So it was. I mean, I do need to backtest it. I backtested it a bit, and I was like, oh, okay, could have some legs. There are obviously times where it doesn't work, but I thought like maybe if I spend a bit of time on it and set up a few alerts, I might be able to see if this works. I mean, I was only trading on demo, so I'm not my day trading has been very average for the intraday stuff for the last month. I just struggled. I was having a real good spell, and then it just went completely south. And
yeah, that's how it happens.
It's like I mean, because I went away on holiday for a month, And I back tested that when I got back, and I was like, damn, if I traded that month, I would have probably just blown the account, because I'd had really good sort of solid month before that. And then I was like, oh, okay, maybe I'll adjust the strategy a bit, and so I could accommodate this weird kind of price behavior. And I just could never get it back. It was just like fake out after fake out, and I was just having these huge losing streaks, like humongous losing streaks. And so
You were trading gold?
No, actually, wasn't. I was trading UJ, and
okay.
And the thing is, when it works really well. But when it doesn't work, you got a chance of getting like slapped out, and that's what I can't work out. Is that when it trends, what I was doing doesn't work. And sorry, it does work sometimes, but then other times it doesn't work. Sometimes you get like 6 or 7 setups in a day, and other times you get no setups in a day. And it's like,
yeah, man,
that's the hardest thing to deal with, I find, because you're kind of like, how do you go from like I'm expecting 6 or 7 to I'm expecting none? It's that complete sort of paradox of extremes, and it's like there's no setups today, but yesterday I had 7, so I should be getting at least 3. No,
right? Really depends on the day, right? And the volume. Just like that day where you were like, you didn't know it was a holiday. You're wondering why it was so quiet.
Yeah, that's funny. It's like, it's not on like it wasn't on like whatchamacallit, Forex Factory or anything like that. Like, what's the holiday anyway? Do you remember?
Honestly, I don't even remember. I think it was like, it was Juneteenth. I think Juneteenth.
Never even heard of it. What does that mean?
Oh, it's pretty much marks like Martin Luther King. Not Martin Luther King, but like slavery times.
Okay. I've never heard of it.
Never heard of it. Pretty much related, but yeah, maybe it's just a US thing. I don't know.
Yeah, it must be. Did I get another setup on gold? No.
I'm gonna go break even for all of my positions right now.
So you've done pretty well. I mean, what's your win rate and stuff been like on this account? Have you got the dashboard? Have you got the Blue Guardian?
Yeah, you want to check it out? It's
check it out. Let's have a look.
Check it out, because we're up right now.
Okay, so you did get off to a rocky road kind of start, didn't you? And,
yeah, it brought a little bit there, but I was impatient, so trying to be patient now. But yeah, right now it's a 1.2 RR.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, it's not bad, man. It's not bad. Sometimes
196 trades. Is that right?
Yeah, it's because I take different positions. I don't take just one lot size, one position. I take one. For example, I'll take a 1 lot and then split it up into like 10 positions for up 0.1s. So it helps a lot with drawdown. Like if I go down deeper into the zone, then it helps me to be able to kind of manage my risk and add some more positions. So
I love it. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's why I do that.
A nice way to do it. I mean, and is that because it's just quicker to do that instead of and I suppose maybe it's just from a mindset point of view, like it's quicker to do that than go in and then manually. Are you on MetaTrader or what are you doing as a match trader at the moment?
This is on Match Trader.
Yeah, so I don't know how you do partials on Match Trader, but I suppose it's easier just to go, let me just close out of one of those 10 positions that I've got in there.
Actually kind of nice. I just kind of go over here. I'll do one now. And just close out a partial close here. Pretty easy. I just closed out some of it now. I kind of like how it does the partial closing. I don't have to I don't know how to explain, but it's a little easier than MetaTrader.
Yeah, MetaTrader, it actually took me years to work out how to do it on MetaTrader manually. And there was one video that I saw which showed you how to do it, and I could never find the video. I could never work it out. It's not straightforward. It's like you got to do a market execution and then change the lot size, and then that you want to take off, and then do it. I mean, C-Trade is kind of the same as well. You got to, but it does it inversely. So there's been times where I've like taken off more than what I wanted because I thought I was leaving that amount on, but in fact I was taking that amount off, and it's like, oh, for crying out loud, and then you've screwed the position. So this seems pretty straightforward. Doing like 10 separate like entries, and would you just do them all at the entry price or stagger them based on how it's performing in that area?
More so based on how it's forming and like zones. So right. I really like zone trading, or like equal highs, equal lows. I've noticed for me, from my standpoint of view, I've been able to set like pending orders in that area. Because what I've learned is there's a lot of buy stops above equal highs or sell stops below equal lows or whatever. So that's typically where a lot of liquidity is. So sometimes I can grab some counter trends based off of those, or sometimes above the equal highs, it just continues up. Like really, really depends on, I guess, the structure. But yeah.
This one, just have it. So you're on the 5 minute there, aren't you now? This looks like it's got a chance of getting up to where you wanted, but it's also just struggling at the moment. You've got a double top, mini double top there. You got a bit of divergence. You got, it's looking like it's wanting to go up, but there's
it looks like
it's probably going to push down for a bit and then probably have a second go at it. Get down to
my original expectation was for it to come down to retest these daily lows, and then start pushing back up. So that might be what it does, but I guess we'll see what happens during London session as well. But yeah, it looks like it's struggling a bit, so we might still have some more liquidity below to grab. But
I'm just going to see if I'm just going to try my new approach out again. It did look like it was setting up before, and then it reached the target, and I was like, oh, I'll cancel that order. But I think looking at what it's doing now, there's a chance it might come back to that area. So I'll give it another go, see if it works.
What was your entry for that?
So it was down at, I'll just have a look. 2297.57.
2297. That was for sales?
Buys.
Oh, you're trying to get some buys there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, that would have been a nice entry. That would have been 10 pips.
Yeah, well, that was the original one was slightly higher than that. Like only a pip higher. And I was like, I don't really like. This was a kind of setup that I mean, as I said, this is a new approach for gold, and that was a setup that I wasn't 100% sure on because I hadn't really back tested it. But I was like, it could be the entry. If I got it, it would have been awesome. I mean, I would have had.
You would have been right there at the bottom of the bottom.
easy 3R already, and probably done. I would have, well, actually wouldn't have taken the 3. I would have taken like 2.2 or something. But as I said, like, I mean, 8R last night in 2 hours just on something I sort of saw, and I was like, is this something I'm seeing? Yeah, that I should be aware of. So I'm like, okay, we'll give it a go. We'll see how it goes. If it can grow this account a little bit more, then maybe I'll look at incorporating it. There you go. That's what you're after. If it takes out that high, I think you're happy days.
Yeah, right. So are you on a challenge account at all, or just the practice completely?
I'm on a I am on a challenge one with my daily strategy. So this is what I'm doing over on Telegram. So I only started it this week, 100 grand account. And so far we haven't had any, actually, sorry, I did start it this week, but I missed 2 trades. One was break even and one was just a small profit. And that was and then I set it up. And why did the reason I couldn't set it up was because I want to copy stuff across from the current account that I'm using, and I couldn't download MetaTrader 5. I'm on MetaTrader 5 because I found out from Blue Guardian, because after you asked, I was like, what's the story? And they said, oh, basically, if you're US, you can't get it, but if you're from another country, you can. So I was on DXTrade before, which, to be fair, was a bit of a weird one. And
yeah, DXTrade isn't the best.
Yeah, so because I was copying everything across, it was like I was having issues with the copying software, and it was kind of like all that sort of stuff. So I ended up going back to MetaTrader, and I haven't seen it work yet, but it should be fine.
I do miss MetaTrader, to be honest. I miss it a lot. I can't use it though. Looks like stops might get hit, possibly, or like 5 pips in profit if it hits stops.
So you got a it's not looking fantastic for you at the moment.
Yeah, it's not looking the best.
If that one had closed above the highs, because you got a double top there, right? It's everything's shouting that this thing's gonna go down. It's a micro double top, but it's still a double top. It's not even actually. It's a double top on my feed. On your feed, it's not quite a double top, which is probably annoying. I mean, your spread is way bigger than what I'm seeing here. But I use IC Markets for just trading on a demo account, because spreads are usually better and you just get more accurate price action. And I'll copy everything across to other accounts that I don't really, I know that I'm going to get probably slipped. The entries aren't going to be so clean and all that sort of stuff. So
yeah, stops just got hit. But yeah, I was thinking that too, if it had closed above the high, but now that it's rejecting, it's rejecting this trend line breakout, so sells seem a bit more prominent right now.
Yeah, it's just stuck in that cluster there, isn't it? It's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna do much until it decides what to do, if anything.
Yeah, we're just in a consolidation.
Yeah,
pretty much. But
I mean, Asia, that's gold on Asia. You kind of expect you ain't going to get a big move. Like every time I've traded it in Asia, which is what I used to do ages ago, it was always just so annoying because you probably get 1 or 2 maximum 2, and then London, you probably struggle. New York, everything just gets wiped out. London trades, Asia trades, and then the US guys just go in and do their thing. That's the move. So many times. Whereas, I mean, you might get lucky and get it in London. Now your stops have been taken out. Now it's going to make its move.
Watch it happen. That always happens.
It's
but
really,
4 hours about to 4 hours closing in 15 minutes, so we could probably get another entry for sells or buys, but probably just a scalp then.
So how far with those little wins then, how far away from challenge target are you?
Those small ones only made like a little bit, so
still about $90 or something.
So like maybe like after $70 I'll have just $1,000 left to pass phase 1.
Okay,
watch it. But yeah, that should be it. Probably won't stay on too much longer. Maybe just till like 10 o'clock. But
I'm gonna have to shoot because I've got to record a video for this channel. And
all right, man.
Okay, all right, mate. Well, look, all the best. We'll catch up later on. Yeah.
All right, dude. Yeah, thanks for joining the stream. I appreciate you.
All right,
This
guys.
is Cam, guys, my sponsor. Say hello. Say thank you.
All right, folks.
All right.
See
you,
you
man.
later.
Take care. Yeah, let's see how this 4-hour closes in the next 15 minutes and see if we can get another entry for sells or buys. But risk has been managed very well. So props to you guys who closed at like 15 pips or whatever. 15 pips is still something. It's actually a good amount. So let's see what else we can get for the day for Asian session. York highs, London highs, lows, lows. Getting tired, guys. I'm getting fucking tired. So we can also look at this daily, right? This daily could just be creating a top wick to come down and target these lows. But let's see where the daily wants to make a top wick at. Let's see if the daily were to make a top wick right here at 2303. Come tap this area, and then come down. Or it could even fill this entire thing and come down. But that's a lot of pips to fill before it starts coming down. So probably continue down and then fill this area maybe tomorrow. 3:15. So yeah, my bias is changing right now because of how everything is forming. It's rejecting. We got 10 minutes before this 4-hour closes, and then let's see. Let's see. Trend breakout. Pretty heavily. Broke past, but then it started rejecting, and now it broke past this structure, this big structure right here. So let's see. Let's see what happens. That is a pretty big candle. It's not that big. I mean, it's like 10 pips. So we don't really need that anymore. Not right now. Boom. Oh my god. It's the coffee. The coffee's making me sleepy. No, I worked today, earlier to this morning. Oh god. Oh god. Jesus. Woo. Peas and rice. Let's see what happens. Bamba, 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 bamba. 7 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. And then we'll see what the fuck is going on. Gosh. fucking dead. But soon enough, trading will just be full-time. Yeah. See, show you guys some of my wins. My girlfriend's gonna be here soon. Bum, 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 bum. Oh. My bias? Oh, sorry. Oh, I deleted it. Wait, where did it go? Oh, here it is. Why does it look like that now? Why does this look like that? It's so weird. My bias, it was that I was targeting these highs here at 2304 to kind of fill this this little gap here, and this is also a daily level right here. I'm predicting that gold is probably making a top wick to continue down and retest these lows at 23 or 2293. So we can stay bearish for the day, but we can also be bullish because we could come down here, retest these lows, and then just start kind of pushing back up. So we'll see what happens, but at the rate that it's moving right now, because we tried to break past this trend line here on the 30 and the 15, and we did, but however, we started making equal highs here on the 30, which is a indication of bearish momentum. Is my bias 2287? You want to go all the way down here to these lows? Yeah, possible for a little retest of this fairly strong support level. But my daily area of interest is 2291. Where's the, oh, right here. 2291, 92, whatever. Right here. Because in the past, we have bounced off of this level like 1, 2, 3 times. We actually have made support here, right here. Bounced off of here multiple times and then just started pushing up. This is also a low, so we don't necessarily want to break that if we are going to stay bullish. But we have multiple touches here as well. So it's like 2287 to 2292 is a good zone. That's my bias. Another thing, like for these, if you change your candlesticks to Hakanashi candlesticks, which is literally like right here, it's actually a little bit easier to see rejection levels. So we could even come down to like 85. So in between these zones is where we really started bouncing. And we also have a very big that's what we're looking at. We break this, we're going up. We break above this and close above on a higher time frame like the daily or something, we're going up. Oh, the 4 hour just closed. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. I think it is remaining as such. That's a very, very shitty closure. I'm gonna grab some sales. $22.93. I'm gonna sell now. I love trading 4 hour opens. I'm putting stops above these highs. Really wanting to get up here, but that's okay. It's fine. Target this daily low, $22.93. It's like $22.94 because it's pretty much right there. Sheesh. I'm lagging a little bit on this platform. There we go. 2296 first TP. And 2294 overall TP. Ew. A week ago, damn, you are a swing trader. What's your entry? $23.34. Oh wow, that's a lot of pips. That's a lot of pips, my man. What is your stop loss? Did you have a stop loss? So you're scalping in between your swing trade, or like, do you even have a stop loss, or are you just letting it run? Oh, 2280. Oh. Excuse me. Oh, okay. I see what you're doing there. I do see longs happening for gold. Not today. Possibly. I mean, it might start today or it might start tomorrow because, I mean, we only have 2 more trading days left of this month. And this month has already touched this low here, so at 2286. So we could retest the monthly lows again. 2286. But yeah, I do see us going back up though. I can't, to be honest, I see us, you have it below this, your stop loss below here, or like right here. I see why you put that there on the daily, but for the daily, but for me at least, I see us ranging. I see us creating range and creating structure within this level. It's a pretty big level. So are you going to take more positions then, since you're in a lot of drawdown? Are you going to take another swing position when it gets to a certain level to protect your the drawdown that you are in? Or what's your plan for that? I see. Looks like we're trying to hold this level here. 2298. Really looks like we're trying to hold here. What can you tell me about what you do with the 4-hour consolidation? Because you see my entries and many small entries. I mean, there's nothing you really can do about consolidation unless you are just trading in the consolidation in the zone, or if you're just waiting for it to break out of the consolidation. I mean, I'm not a perfect trader. I'm still learning myself, bro. So I don't want you to sit here and like take everything that I am telling you and to just like do what I say, because I'm still learning too. It's only been a year for me, but I mean, I'm profitable. My exit technique, sometimes I do let the positions ride. Sometimes I don't use a stop loss because I can manage my risk well if it comes down to like a level and then it takes me out. And right now it's looking like we might be, I think we're done creating this top wick. Because it retested this level again. This was my original entry, and then it rejected again for buys. So maybe we'll just be consolidating. But it's only been 12 minutes. Okay, I guess I am at a slight level to educate a little bit. I have helped some of my friends with trading, and they're learning, and they have become a bit more profitable based on what I have been, I guess, showing them or teaching them or sending them videos, whatever. If you really, really want to learn how to trade, but you're a swing trader. I'm not a swing trader. I don't necessarily know how to completely swing trade yet. I'm more of a day trader or a scalper. But if you want to really learn how to swing trade, Alex G is a really good swing trader. He is a hashtag set and forget type of swing trader. If you want to learn how to really scalp, you should watch a lot of Raja Banks videos. Mr. Raja Banks. I love him. He's great. He's a good teacher. Let me look at this 5-minute. Hold on a minute. Let me see if I want to close early or just let it hit my stops. Yeah, Alex G's pretty dope. Yeah, Trading Nut has a really good podcast. I like him. He has sponsored me. Him and Blue Guardian have sponsored me for this 25K challenge. That's the prop firm that I'm using, Blue Guardian. So, yeah, he's a great guy. He was just on the stream not too long ago. I don't know if you were here, but yeah, bro, it definitely does. Psychology and trading, I swear, trading is like, I gotta watch this. It's 5 minutes. 15 open with bottom wick first. I'm not too ecstatic about that. But it is going lower and lower. It closed past here on that 15. Now it's looking like it's gonna close past here. Past here on the 1. I don't know, man. I'm not liking this trade too much. I might go ahead and just close out, or go break even. It's kind of lagging a little bit, to be honest. Yeah, when we get to 10 pips, I'm going to go break even. God. If it fucking lets me. Almost at 10 pips here. Alright, now I'm going to break even. I just tapped 22.97, so we are at a level where it could start rejecting at. So I'm going to go ahead and go break even. Just hit break even. Well, not break even. It hit my stops. It's lagging a little bit. Yeah, I understand. I just don't like trading too much in consolidation. I more so like breakouts, and I don't like the way that this 15-minute candle is forming. I really don't like that. So I am out of that trade. Really don't get too much volume in Asian. But we're still up, because the best way to become a profitable trader is to manage your risk accordingly to how the market is forming. And I don't like this at all. So if we were trading how Raja Banks trades, we would wait for a break of these highs and a closure past it to continue up. We have all of this liquidity to grab, all of this, so much. Could see a break and retest right here at 23.04. That's what I was expecting, and then start pushing back up. I got like a little profits, not really that much, but I got some profits. That's all I really care about, you know. And I managed my risk. I followed my plans. Only made like 50 bucks. So it's pretty much a break even, if you want to call it that. Pretty much a break even. Man, what's your position size? If you've been holding for that long and you're on a challenge account, what is your position size? If you were to trade indices with Blue Guardian, I don't know if damn, I just lost what I was about to say. But trading indices with Blue Guardian, there's no commissions. I don't know about swap fees. I didn't really check that part out, but 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 for a swing? Damn, bro. But like, if you really think about it, is it really a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2? Because you're paying so much in swap fees, right? Especially for buys. Like, I'm pretty sure buys they cost way more in swap fees. Sorry about that. Oh, got you. Yeah, I wish I was trading London, but I gotta get some sleep. I actually used to trade London a lot. My win rate with London session is way higher than it is with New York session, but I had to change my work hours. What do you mean, what do I do? No, I don't really take I try to limit myself to max 3 trades and open positions. Yeah, I just try to take max 3 trades. But risk management, I'm up right now, so usually when I'm up, I like to risk a little bit more, but like 1%. Since I'm up though, I might risk like 1.5%, maybe go up a little bit. I usually trade New York session though. Just today I had to work this morning, so that's why I'm trading Asian session for this live stream. I've passed a few challenges, but that was with the funded traders, so they're no longer in business. They fucking suck. Got a couple payouts, so now I'm working at getting funded again with a different prop firm. I also trade futures as well for gold and NQ, NASDAQ, NAS100. But yeah, London session looks like it'll be pretty heavy, pretty hectic. Won't really know until around like maybe 2 a.m. pre-London session. I am a day trader and scalper for prop firms. Wait, the funded traders back up and running again? I'm not using them. Fuck them. They took my money, man. They took like $750 from me and then didn't even give it back. But they want to tell me that they can give me coupons to buy more prop firm accounts. No, bro, I'm not. Like, why would I use your coupon if you're having an issue with your prop firm? Makes no sense. I honestly started off as more of a scalper, and then I started looking at day trading more. And what I really learned that with day trading is good because it helps you justify direction in the market. And with day trading, you don't have to catch the big moves. Like, you don't have to catch the whole entire move for day trading. Like, you can catch a little bit of the move for day trading. I do trade futures. I will show you my futures account. I don't hold scalps for a day trade. If it's scalping, you should only be holding a scalp for like maximum 1 hour. Like, if you're scalping, it should be a quick in and out. Quick in and out. Yeah, so I trade both, man. I trade both because I had to. Well, I left TFT because I'm in the US because we couldn't use MT5 anymore, unfortunately. So I thought I had to switch over to futures. So then I started trading futures, and then I won this challenge with Cam, Trading Nut, for a free 25k Blue Guardian account. They liked the way I trade, so I won the challenge. So now I'm back trading Forex as well. But for futures, I'm using Top Step. I'm using Top Step for futures. The Trading Nut actually has a coupon that you can use for Apex. Apex is a good futures prop firm as well. He has a coupon. I can show you guys at the end of the stream the coupon, which I'll probably be ending it soon because my girlfriend's coming over. But I want to stick with my buys, man, up to 2304. The market is so very confused right now. All of these wicks in both directions. It doesn't know what the hell it wants to do. Anyway, so here is my. I like trading the same as Forex, to be honest, just gold and indices. But yeah, here is my Top Step challenge account. I'm almost done with the challenge account. Need to make another like almost 1,500. I only need to make 3,000 for this futures account to pass the challenge. It's only one phase 2 on the futures. It's nice. But it does have trailing drawdown. So first my drawdown was 48,000, but then I made some profits, so it's gonna trail towards my profits, so I can't go below this now, which is nice. It's nice. This prop firm is Blue Guardian. Yes, you can use it in the US. I live in the US, that's why I'm using them, because they gave me another chance to trade with Forex. I love trading Forex more than I love trading futures. Honestly, yeah. I would like for gold to really break these highs, but honestly, I would like to see gold break 2303 for more of a valid confirmation, since it pretty much rejected this breakout, this trend line breakout. So it's either break above here or continuation up, or we could get a false breakout right above here, above this 30-minute high, to continue down back into sells. That's my bias. Hell no, bro. I'm not taking a random entry. I'm almost funded for futures, bro. Almost there. Almost there. I've been really busy with work, but like, you know, trades, there's trades every single day. There's no rush. But yeah, but bro, you're like 300 pips in drawdown, bro. I'm not. That's a lot of pips, man. I can't trade like that, bro. It doesn't work well with my psychology to trade with that big of a stop loss. The most I'll go is probably like 100 pips or something like that. Yeah, I want to see it break above these highs or break past here. Oh wait, this is it. This is the consolidation zone, okay? Either a break above here or a break above here. False breakout above here or false breakout below here. It's literally in between these two zones. So the only difference with Forex and gold, Forex gold and futures gold is just the numbers. You see how here it's at 2310, but here it's at 2299, but it's literally the exact same. Here, let me bring up, this is gold futures. It literally is trending the exact same way. There's literally no difference. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's just the difference with futures is risk management is a lot different with futures, as I have been learning. It's 2% risk and the count is up 5%. Oh, okay. But if it hits your stop loss, how much? Oh, never mind. 2% risk. You already told me. Yeah, but you can't have open trades if you want to pass the challenge. Oh, hey, baby. Yeah, I'm about to get off. Say hi.
Hello. Look like a miss.
No. Don't feed them.
Wasn't going to.
Mm-hmm. Because they don't want you to win, bro. They don't want you to win. We're on here now. Since we're just consolidating, let's look at. I'm just gonna show them one video and then we're out. This is my favorite trading.
Obviously, C colon forward hash uses zoom in document charts. Yeah.
Huh? What? This is my favorite trader. This guy is great. Raja Banks. He's great. He turned Raja Banks literally just recently flipped $1,000 into like $100,000 within I think like a month or two. Crazy.
Welcome to
Crazy. It's my favorite guy. Raja is great. This shit would load. He's standing. Hectic cracks for them. Yeah, I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, because we're just consolidating. I won't see much until London session. That's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm not waking up for that. Or, well, 3 o'clock in the morning. Come on.
So the 15-minute candle is about to close. Let's take a look at the 15-minute candle. So continue.
So this is a simulator that he does.
We're going to continue to push up. These
Trolling? How am I trolling? You literally just saw me take some trades. It's hot in here now. Okay. Alright, well, it's lagging, so forget it.
the step number one is to identify the trend. And the trend on the daily is
Listen to
bullish
this
at
man.
point. That's it. We
This
don't
is who
take a
I've
look
been
at
learning from.
we don't take a look at, okay, if it's bullish, where should we go? What should we do? No. Now we're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, right? 4-hour time frame trend is also bullish. And we all know that whenever you have a bullish price action or you have price action that's moving bullish, the first thing you need to see on the lower time frame is to see if we're creating some sort of a support. So if we have a bullish confirmation right here, we need to see if we're creating a support on the 4-hour time frame, which, quite frankly, we do see that we are creating a support, right? So if the daily is bullish, 4 hours creating a support, there's a very good probability that price can possibly continue to move up, which is in this 130 pip range. Now let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame and see what more information we can get. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we can identify that we are creating a support, and at the same time there's also a support being
So tired of this shit.
formed right over here on the 30-minute time frame here as well. So if we're forming a support on the 30-minute time frame here as well, which means there's a very good probability that the next candle can maybe wick down and then continue to push up. But here's the trick. The trick is whenever you're looking at price action, you're looking to see what's the probability whether we're going to continue to push down or whether we're going to continue to push up. These are things that we always have to keep in mind. So just by looking at price action right here, the first thing that we can identify is that there's a support formed at 1930, and if you do break below the support, how big is this range? Between 1972 and 1969. How big is this range? Right? This is a 33 pip range. If we break below, let's say 1969 right here, your range now becomes a 64 pip range. So I think there's a very good probability that if we do break below, let's say 1972, or we do break below this candle right here, there's a very good probability we can continue to push up. Now, let's take a look at some more confirmations on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, now we have a pretty good support. Now, here's the thing about support resistances, right? When you're looking at supports on the 30-minute time frame are going to be much stronger than the supports on the 15-minute time frame, right? So I'm only going to look at the support on the 30-minute time frame. I'm going to trust the support on 30-minute time frame, and then we'll see whether price can continue to go up or down. Now, the 30-minute is also creating a resistance right over here. Now, the idea is if we do break above, let's say 1975, there's a very good probability that we can continue to push up in this scenario. So I think the best thing to do at this point is to just wait. Wait for what? Maybe wait for a candle to close above, or wait for a candle to kind of like, close below the support. So that's all we're going to do. The whole idea is just to wait. We're just waiting to see whether candles are going to, close above or close below. By the way, guys, there's a huge surprise waiting for everyone at the end of this webinar. And I'm very excited to give the surprise here to you. So there we go. All right, so the 30-minute candle is about to close. And boom. The 30-minute candle has closed bullish right here. Now, looking at this, there's a very good probability that we can continue driving up from this scenario, because we had price come down, we created support, and as we created support, this candle has closed above. So I think it's going to be very simple. We're going to risk, let's say, 1.5%, right? And we're going to execute a buy. What do you think? What do you guys think? There's clean range to the left hand side going all the way, 35 pip range. Your stop loss is going to be below the previous candle, because whenever you're taking a buy, you're making sure your stop losses are below the previous 30-minute candle. So buy goes in, stop loss goes below the previous candle, take profit, it doesn't matter. And the reason why take profit does not matter is, so if I open this right here, the reason why take profit does not matter is because, this is because we have a bigger clean range going all the way up till 1984. Is he simulating? Yes, this is a simulation. All right. We all agree with this buy? There's no sells, because whenever you're looking at price, you're asking yourself two questions. What's the probability price can go down versus what's the probability price can go up? In this scenario, there's a very high probability price can go up, and there's a very low probability price can go down.
This, and then I'm done.
But at the same time, we're always looking to see how are we going to manage risk. Right, so you can see right here, 5 minutes have passed. We're moving in profits now. 4 pips, 5 pips, 6 pips. Remember, guys, this is a 36 pip range, right? It's a 36 pip range. 36 pip range, and there's an opportunity for price to continue all the way up to fill this entire range, which is a 100 pip range. So the 15-minute candle is about to close. Let's take a look at the 15-minute candle. 15-minute candle has closed a very strong bullish candle. The 30-minute candle is still open. So we're going to wait to see how this 30-minute candle is going to close, and then we're going to decide what are we going to do. So slowly we're coming up to this resistance area, 1979. We're up about 2%, 27, 28 pip profit. So see right here, we're coming up towards our resistance area. Whenever we're coming up to our resistance area, we don't know whether price will continue breaking up, or we don't know whether price will reject this area. So what's the first thing we got to do at this point?
Secure some profits.
Stop loss at break even? No. Make a note of this. If you put your stops at break even without securing some profits, you're going to have a very bad time. So instead of closing 50%, I'm probably going to close around 80%. Close 80%. Put stop loss at break even. And let the rest run. That's it. That's all what I'm going to do. Now I'm just going to let the rest run. Right? And if we continue on till 1987 or we continue pushing down at break even, then so be it. What can we do at this point? Nothing. Right? So look, we're at 53 pip profits. The 30-minute candle is still open. We're still running up 52. Oh, wow. Look at that. 79. 84, 83, 77, 78. We still got some time left over here. This is pre-London volume time. Now you guys see why I take my trades at pre-London? Because of volume at this time. Look at that. 83 pips. So what should I do at this point? Secure my position, right? Do you guys want me to secure the position or you guys want it to let it run? Fuck it, we'll let it run. We have stops at break even. You know, it's perfect. Look at that. 30-minute candle. Just continuing up. Now, here's the thing. If you miss this trade, right? If you miss this trade, actually, we're going to secure these positions right here. 111 pips. The first trade in the simulation, 111 pips. Look at that, man. 200.
Yeah, so just watch this guy. I've learned a lot from him. I mean, look at that. Easy trade. So yeah, Raja Banks. And I will be on tomorrow for New York session. Alright, I'll see you guys for New York.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.